Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen workshop. Today we're going to show you the features and applications of the Pony 3-way edging clamp. The Pony 3-way edging clamp belongs in every woodworker's collection for when you need to add right angle pressure to a project. This clamp is made from cast iron and allows you to apply pressure from 3 directions. It has a maximum opening of 2¼ inches and a maximum throat depth of 2½ inches and a clamping force of 800 pounds. As the name suggests, this tool was designed for working on edging. It will hold your project in place, freeing up your hands. The Pony 3-way edging clamp is perfect for repairing molding, trim work, countertop edging, and veneer strips. Thanks for stopping by the Pony Jorgensen workshop. For more information, please visit ponyjorgensen.com.